Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to recover lost streaks on Snapchat. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and want to get back all the streaks, I'll help you how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your device, and after this you need to go back. So guys, now you need to open any internet browser. I am going to open here Safari, and now you need to search Snapchat support, and after this you can see here the option of I lost my snap streaks. So guys, you have to click on this one, and after this you need to wait for some seconds. You will see this type of interface. You need to scroll it down, and guys, you can see here is the option of fill out this form. Click on this form. After clicking on it, you have to wait. So guys, now you can see this type of interface. Here you need to write your username of your Snapchat account. So guys, my username is this, and here you need to write your email address. So guys, as you can see here, and after this here you need to enter your mobile number, and here you need to write here your device name. That is, my device is iPhone 12. You can write your own device. And guys, here you can see friends username limit 1 per submission. So guys, here you need to write your friend in which you want to get back all the streaks. So guys, here you need to write your friends. So guys, for example, my friends is this. And guys, now here you need to write here when did you start having this issue. So guys, here you need to write your issue date. For example, I have issue on this, that is issue date is 01 and 04 2024. And guys, here you can see how long was your snap streak before it expired. So guys, now here you need to write your start date of your streaks, when you have start all the streaks here. So guys, I have started all the streaks 2024. And guys, this is optional, and here you need to write all the problem that you are facing again and again, and you want to get back your streaks. Here you need to write all the information, and after this you need to submit. Within few minutes they will review your appeal and they will fix your problem, and guys, you will be able to see all the streaks that you have lost. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.